Welcome back, guys. Part 2 of my vlogs of the blizzard of 2018. Same day. Hey, that's where that water balloon went. You guys know. Shoot. Uh-oh. Oh, it caught. It's my slime, emergency slime. Dad, blow as much as you can here.
Yeah, but I gotta get this done. I don't have time.
Alright. So this is my little emergency slide. You can hide. You can poke a little hole in here. You just hide down here. Like the event of emergency here. And just run away. So about 7 o'clock. I earlier broke a record, so I'm gonna try and upload that video first. Hopefully you guys saw it. It was a large Lego bridge span. I was like, Lego's right up my alley. I'm gonna try and break that. And I'm gonna try to officially file this with Guinness. So hopefully that goes through. But it's still snowing out, and this is a start. Excuse me. Early this morning, so that's a little crazy. We're still getting snow. It's calmed down a little bit. Come up here, chicken coop. And there's just metal roofing on there. Don't know why we put it there. It's just all filled in. So that doesn't even make sense why we did that. Guys, I recently did a video throwing my camera off my porch or balcony, whatever I called it. Click up there to watch it. Also, bye guys. I can't wait to check the footage on that. Oh my god. That's going to be so funny to look at. Okay. Thank you for watching. And here's the regular. Hi guys. I'm going to try and clean all the snow off this. There's a lot more snow on this. It's on a tripod. That was just so random. There's snow on the whole thing. I'm going to have to put this thing like by a heat or a blowtorch or something. Guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and also check out that amazing video. That left a huge indentation on the snow. Like it just like twirled. I can't wait to check that footage out. Hopefully that was you guys had a nice fall. And now we're gonna cut to a small snow montage.